Welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Basil, and today we are still making videos. Apologies for the setting. I am currently back in my original home that I grew up in, visiting family for the week. But you know what? We got to still keep making videos every single day. So today, actually, I wanted to talk about this the current state of the space here in crypto. And as it's February 22nd, I know yesterday was a really crazy day because there was like 1.4 billion dollars that was extracted from Bybit with from Ethereum, with some North Korean hackers. But the other state of the state of crypto currently is that everybody's just shitting on pump. Now, while we might seem like things might seem bearish right now to the things that are happening in crypto and Solana, because everybody's just saying like there's nothing happening on Solana and everything is about gambling and speculation. While that is quite honestly at the moment somewhat true, there is still the ability for you guys to make money right now, even on Pump Fund. And I think while there is everybody that wants to talk crap about Pump Fund and the abilities of the things that's happening on Solana, I think that's just a phase that's going to happen as of now. We do believe that there is a change, anyways, and a momentum shifting away from just buying meme coins that have no utility, and there's a transition into investing into products that have utility for token holders and bringing value to the token, and especially in the product wise. So today I want to talk about 3 AI agents that we currently see that you can actually see real use cases where normal retail can go ahead and start getting involved with essentially using AI on chain in crypto for various different things. And I want to talk about 3 AI agents that you can currently use in the space right now, to basically hedge against everything else that's happening in the space. So the first meme coin, or they're not really meme coins, they're actually utility coins, but they're just launched on Pump. So obviously everything that's happening in crypto, be careful, guys. This is, you have to do your own due diligence. And I'm just going to be talking about 3 products that I currently see in this space that might have some sort of utility and potential, to essentially go further up in the space. So since we're still in the speculative era of crypto, and we are transitioning to more like real world cases, let's just jump right into it. The first one I want to talk about is Edwin DeFi Layer. All right, so Edwin DeFi Layer is essentially an AI agent that's launched, I think, like a week ago or something like that. But right now, the only way you can interact with it is by connecting on Discord and Telegram, and essentially giving it autonomous funds. So you can give it some funds, and then it will autonomously trade on your behalf, with those funds. Now, it does have a token out, and let's go to its Twitter. And as you can see here, you can see there's some notable people that are following it. So there are like the super team. Some people here that I actually know are following Edwin the Owl. And so Edwin the Owl is an AI agent that you can just autonomously trade on your behalf. Yeah, so all you'd have to do is just go to their website and supply it with USDC, and essentially will trade on your behalf. So this is one. It does have a token out. So let's take this, go to BullX, and see what it is trading at. So it launched 4 weeks ago, and it's currently sitting at 7.8 million market cap. I don't know why there's no data here. I think I have to go to Neo, or I need to go to Dex Screener. Excuse me. So yeah, all you have to do is just go to Dex Screener. So it's at 7.6 million market cap. And as you can tell, if you go to the 4-hour chart, it launched at a pretty high market cap. Like if we see where it launched right here at like 1.5, and it went all the way up to 8 mil on its launch. So there is that. And so these are tokens essentially that you can invest in AI agents that actually have real use cases besides just being a Twitter a Twitter agent that just chats. The second one I want to talk about is Billy Bets. So here's the FAQ about what Billy Bets is, and essentially it's an autonomous AI agent, sports betting agent, that you can give it some funds, and then it will essentially start betting, sport betting on your behalf. Um, and that's essentially what this agent does. So it also launched about a week ago, and we can look at, let's check out where it's at on the charts. So this was launched by Virtuals, and it sits at a 7.6 million market cap as well. So yeah, you guys can go on to BillyBets.ai and see essentially what the token does, or what the AI agent also does for the token. And so these are just some real use cases that you can actually, get involved with using these agents to start actually trading on your behalf and making bets on your behalf. The third one I want to talk about is Flow, and this also has a token out, and we can go out to their Twitter. And Flow, in my opinion, is the best. But the reason why I say this is because right now I think it's undervalued. That's one. But not only that, so now it sits at a 3.1 million market cap. I know the devs only hold 5% of the supply, and they haven't been sold, and it's vesting for over 6 months. So that's kind of bullish to know. While why I say Flow is cool is because Flow, actually, you can create your own agent, give it attributes, and then you can give it funds, and it will trade on your behalf. So you can just come in here and check the different agents that are exactly here. You can deploy your own agent, right? Create an agent, name, personality, what Twitter accounts you want it to follow. Do you have certain reference Twitter accounts that you want it to learn from and look out for? And then at the same time, it will create a token for your agent, all while at the same time, you can get your agent to actually start trading. So you can just come into Discover Agents, and you can already see some agents that people already launched that you can even use. So this one, for example, STAR, Balls Deep, Show Up, or GTFO. Trade only hyper volatile tokens with market cap between 25K to 5 mil market cap, exclude illiquid assets. So somebody's already like given it personality attributes on what it needs to trade and what Twitter accounts it needs to follow. And then he's given it essentially a wallet with funds with $1,000 that he started with, 979. And then that since its launch, it's been able to get, even at its peak, a 200%, so 2x on its account, and now it sits at a 1.8 x, so almost a full 2x. His account sits at 1,896, and you can see the different trading that it's doing. So now, as you notice here, is paper trading, but once it achieves a 2x, it transitions into live trading. But you can essentially just set up your trading wallet and give it those funds and be able to trade on your behalf. You can also make your agents private. So only, like, if you're saying like your agent is making you money and you don't want other people to start using it as well, you can just make it private. So it's only trading for you and yourself only. You can go into any of these and essentially start trading with live agents and give it funds, and it will trade for you, and you don't have to do anything. So that's the other cool thing. So I know also with Flow, every single transaction that happens using these Flow tokens, it buys back a portion of the Flow token. So 50% is, and the fees go to buying back the Flow token, and 50% goes to the devs, which I think is fair. But yeah, as you can see, this one, it's traded up from $1,000 up to 1,500. At its peak, it was 1,700. But essentially, yeah. So you can see all the trades that it's doing all autonomously on its own. And you can just tell you here, here's the trading history. And essentially you can just give it, some funds, and it will trade on your behalf. Now, obviously, like the tokens it creates in itself, those don't do well. I don't think it's wise to trade the agent token, but I think it's at least interesting enough to trade, to let it trade on your behalf. So you can essentially go, and if you're the creator of the agent, you can go ahead and also edit the personality. So, you're saying like, hey, after you're up, a 2x, sell, 50% of your allocation. And you can create these agents to do exactly what you want it to do. So here it says core trading with adaptive market intelligence, detects whether the market is trending or ranging. And so here it tells you, like, here's check out the moving average, crossover, the RSI, all those different things. And you see these people that are very technical are coming in here and creating these agents that are creating profitable trading autonomous agents. And it's currently sitting at 3 million, and it launched about a month ago. So these are some AI tokens that are launching that I'm seeing there is a lot of potential for them to, go up higher. So that's essentially what the video is about today. I want to just talk about the three things that AI is being used in crypto currently, and how, these non-VC backed projects are, they're coming out here, these teams, and they're essentially just pushing out in public the ability for you to start trading using AI. And I think that's fantastic. You're basically having the ability to invest in a product that, is before all the hype comes in, before all of the, the large VC money starts getting, or giving it the attention that it deserves. So you're kind of front running those individuals, which I think is very important and cool. And I think that's why Pump Fund is cool for that reason. But obviously, with the 30 million tokens that now is launched on the market using Pump Fund, I think it's very important to be able to distinguish the difference between, like, real coins that have utility and coins that don't have absolutely no utility. So avoid those. But that is the cool part, that I see things trending now and moving towards into that direction. So cheers, guys. We're making a video every single day, no matter where I am, whether I'm in the, you know, in the trenches, or I'm traveling, or I'm back home. I'm always going to be providing you guys with content every single day. So please subscribe, and we'll catch you guys later. See ya.